Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get started creating a website in WordPress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. Where in the upper right corner, you'll be getting started by logging into your account. So it's going to look like this. You want to go ahead and create an account if you do not already have one. Log in, and after logging in, now you'll be able to see your dashboard right here, where you can find all the sites that you have that you can use WordPress with. If you have currently not created any website, you will not see anything in this list. Currently, I have my websites right here, but you'll see this button that says Add New Site. So you'll be able to use the button right here that says to create a new website. Click that, and this is going to enable you to now proceed with creating your new website. So you can enter in the domain that you want to use. You can choose your domain later by clicking the choose domain option right here later if you do not want to use currently any domain, and you can choose which plan you want. So choose your flavor of WordPress. You have all the plans right here that you can get started, and as you can see guys, we can use the free plan to create a free website. So clicking the free plan is going to enable you to go ahead and get started with creating your site setup. You can enter in the name, what you want to do with the site, and so on. You can skip everything if you want and just proceed to the dashboard to customize how you want it. And basically that's how to do it. So after you have created it guys, it's going to appear in that list that we have showed you at the beginning. You can open it up and you'll be greeted by this home page where you can now get started with editing it right here with all the options you have, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.